Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your places. I'm here again with my new topic, water resources, from chapter number 2, natural resources, land, soil, and water. We have already done land resources, soil resources. Now it's time of water resources. So let's start our water resources. Students, as we all know, that water is very precious resource for all of us. It is a renewable resource, and nearly 71% of the earth is covered with water. So, earth is also called a watery planet. Water is used for various purposes like irrigation in industries, generating electricity, and it is also used for various domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, flushing, washing clothes, washing utensils, gardening. But students, do you know, out of this 70% or 71% of water, 97% water is present in the oceans and seas, which is not suitable for the human consumption or for watering crops. क्योंकि ये पानी जो है salty होता है और इसका use नहीं हो पाता. So we have only 3% of fresh water. Now let's see the distribution of fresh water. It is on your screen. 0.32% is in lakes, rivers, etc. 2.0% is in the form of ice caps and glaciers. 0.68% is groundwater. Now next is hydrological cycle. You have already read this topic in your primary classes that the rainwater continuously gets recycled in nature through evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Right? This is the picture of hydrological cycle on your screen. From here, what you have to do? From here, you have to draw the diagram of hydrological cycle in your notebook. Right? So this is your homework. Now our next topic is multipurpose river valley projects. Students, multipurpose river valley projects serve many objectives at the same time. They are used for storing water. So this stored water is used for various purposes like for irrigation, generating hydroelectricity, afforestation. They are basically designed for the development of irrigation for agriculture and electricity through the construction of dams. Here we have lots of examples like Damodar River Valley Project, which is in Jharkhand, Hirakud Dam, it is in Odisha, Hoover Valley Project, it is in USA. Now students, what you have to do? You have to find another 5 names of multipurpose river valley project of India and message me on my WhatsApp number. It is on your PDF files. You can check from there. My number is on your PDF files. Right? So this is your next homework. Now our next topic is water conservation. As we all know that the sources of water are limited. So it is very important to conserve it. And on page number 16, you will get all the methods to conserve water. But here, I will discuss best 5 methods to conserve water. Water harvesting is one of the best methods to save water. Second, water wastage can be reduced by recycling the used water with the help of technology. That means by recycling. Sprinkle and drip irrigation, or we can say trickle irrigation, reduce wastage of water and help in conservation of water. Fourth, water can be conserved by installing sensor taps in the public places. Fifth, water can be conserved by educating people towards the urgent need of conserve water. Now I hope you all understand all the resources very well. Now it's your turn. So what you have to do? Here you have to revise lesson 2 properly. Okay, thank you.